Before you buy SuperHost, you need to watch this first. Because a lot of hosting platforms promise fast websites, easy setup and reliable performance. But the truth is, many of them end up being slow, expensive and extremely complicated for beginners. So the real question is SuperHost actually different, or just another overhyped hosting tool? In this honest SuperHost review, I'll show you what it does, how it works, what's inside, the real benefits and how you can also get my exclusive bonus bundle worth $497 absolutely free. Let's dive in. If you're trying to build websites, run online businesses, launch funnels or host digital projects, then reliable hosting is one of the most important tools you'll ever choose. And today we're reviewing SuperHost, a platform designed to simplify hosting for entrepreneurs, marketers and creators. What is SuperHost? SuperHost is a cloud-based web hosting platform designed to make launching and managing websites simple, fast and scalable. Instead of dealing with complicated servers, confusing dashboards or technical headaches, SuperHost focuses on giving users a clean interface, reliable performance and fast website deployment. This means even beginners can get their websites online without needing technical skills. Whether you're launching a blog, a business website, a funnel, an online store or digital services, SuperHost is designed to handle it smoothly. Benefits. Why people are interested in SuperHost. Here are some of the main reasons users are choosing SuperHost. Fast website deployment. Instead of spending hours configuring hosting environments, you can launch websites quickly. This is especially helpful for marketers and entrepreneurs who want to focus on growing their business instead of dealing with technical setup. Beginner-friendly interface. Many hosting platforms overwhelm users with complicated dashboards. SuperHost keeps things simple and easy to navigate, which makes it great for beginners. Reliable hosting infrastructure. Website speed and uptime are critical for online success. SuperHost is designed to provide stable hosting performance, helping your websites stay accessible and responsive. Scalable for growth. As your website traffic grows, you want hosting that can scale with you. SuperHost aims to provide a solution that works for both beginners and growing businesses. Inside SuperHost, what you get. Inside the SuperHost platform, you'll typically find tools designed to make hosting easier. These may include website management dashboard, domain connection options, hosting control features, performance monitoring tools and website deployment tools. All of this is built to help users manage their websites without needing advanced technical knowledge. The idea is simple. Instead of worrying about hosting problems, you focus on building your online presence. Results. What users look for. People who use platforms like SuperHost are usually looking for faster website launches, more reliable hosting performance, simpler website management and reduced technical headaches. When hosting works smoothly, you can focus on what actually matters, building your business. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros. Beginner-friendly, quick website deployment, designed for entrepreneurs and marketers and simplified hosting management. Cons. Requires learning basic hosting concepts if you're completely new, and like any SaaS tool, results depend on how you use it. Overall, SuperHost aims to simplify what is usually a complicated part of running websites. Now if you decide to grab SuperHost through my link below, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus bundle. These bonuses are designed to help you get even more value from your hosting setup. Bonus 1. Hosting Teleseminars. Value $197. Have you been struggling with marketing strategies that simply don't deliver results? This training shows how to use teleseminars and online events to grow your brand and reach more people without spending huge amounts on advertising. Bonus 2. Web Hosting Fundamentals. Value $297. If you're new to hosting, this beginner-friendly guide explains how web hosting works, best practices for selecting a web host, and key fundamentals every website owner should know. This bonus alone can save beginners hours of confusion. Total bonus value: $497, yours free. So, is SuperHost worth it? If you're looking for a simplified hosting platform designed for entrepreneurs, creators and marketers, SuperHost is definitely worth checking out. And when you combine it with my $497 bonus bundle, it becomes an even better value. Click the link in the description below, grab SuperHost today, unlock your bonuses and start launching your websites faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.